Okay, so this is our form in our video no last time. So we basically run it on the NetBeans. Yan. So this is it, no. So close lang na ko siya. So how to clean and build? So na lang siya sa run and clean and build. Okay? So again, pag it will clean and build the project, it will create what we call as a executable JAR file so that we don't need to open NetBeans to execute the GUI program. So it will, ang requirement lang niya is it just need to have a Java runtime environment. So you just need to click the sample GUI2 na na project, just click clean and build. So it will provide here no parang mga nag-create siya ng jar file daw and build successful. Okay? So where can we see the that code or that executable jar file? Okay? Nandun daw siya sa NetBeans project. So we will open the NetBeans project, which is usually in the project folder. Okay. Ay, magtanaw sa akong mga. Yan. So, NetBeans project. And I believe it was sample. Our name is sample GUI 2. Okay. The name of the folder is sample GUI 2. Ayan. Here is sample GUI 2. And then it is usually stored in the dist distribution na folder. Yan. So this is the executable jar file. Padapin sa nakang ni magnifier. So I will close the NetBeans ha. Close na ako NetBeans to see and to check whether mo execute yun siya, no? Okay? Okay. I will try to execute and open it. Ayan. As you notice, we close the NetBeans and then it's already, we have the executable jar file using the clean and build feature in NetBeans. So you don't need to run the NetBeans to run the GUI program. So I will try to write Mark1 and then 300, 10 days, and click submit. Okay? Ayan. So that's easy. That's how you will create a executable jar file using clean and build. Any questions?